And going across now also to Manogya Loiwal, welcoming her onto our coverage. Manogya, what's the mood like in Kolkata? This is a truly nationwide vaccination drive that's taking place all across the country. The Prime Minister will be reaching out, interacting with beneficiaries in every city. What's it looking like in Kolkata?
Well, Bengal has to be different. One, because there is a political turmoil going on already in the state, but with vaccination, there is more to it than what meets the eye. I'm at the SSKM hospital, one of the biggest government hospitals here in Kolkata. The vaccination site is what is being described as. This is the building, the admin building, that will be administering the doses today. Remember, there are 210 centers where there will be 100 people every day. That means today will be administered the vaccination today. A lot of things happening in between the lines is the entire setup that has been done with no one being allowed, the social distancing being monitored, an entire security apparatus of Kolkata police as well as West Bengal police at various places. Now, these are the registration counters in the COVID vaccine setup that have been done. But everyone who would be entering has been given a special ID card, and you can see that hanging around their necks. This is being identified in a similar way for all the doctors and all those essential services people who will be administered the vaccine today. An average time of 30 to 35 minutes has been taken, but Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee would be inaugurating it around the afternoon, and that is when the official process will be beginning and also giving you an idea on how big it is going to be. Around 93,000 doses have just been bought for Kolkata itself, making it one of the biggest cities. Of course, it is the capital, but also making it one of the biggest cities, and the entire campaign that would be going around in the state of West Bengal. However, an interesting point is there are many doctors and medical professionals who have said that they might not take the vaccine in the first go. That means in the first phase of vaccination.
Thanks, Manogya. We'll leave it there for the moment, but this is going to be a conversation over the next 7 hours. Remember, the Prime Minister is going to be speaking at 10:30 a.m. Every minute of it is going to be live here on India Today. The vaccination drive begins in just over an hour from now, with the Prime Minister inaugurating the ceremonial rollout of India's first vaccination drive. It's the biggest in the world. And let me tell you that the world is definitely watching, because India has been a model country as far as the fight against COVID-19 is concerned relative to its population. I want to take you straight across to the Medanta Hospital in the national capital, where India Today's Gaurav Sawant is with us. Gaurav, good morning. Big day, momentous day. I know it's very, very foggy in the national capital, but hopefully everything else is going to be crystal clear as far as this rollout is concerned, because as we've been saying, failure is not an option. Big day, Gaurav.
It indeed is, Shiv, and there is tremendous excitement in the air. Of course, it's extremely cold. Yes, it's very foggy, but this fog will lift and there will be a new dawn of health. That's the expectation. Doctors are extremely excited and they're leading by example. Shiv, I'm told Dr. Naresh Trehan will get a jab himself, and he's leading by example for any doctor or for any patient. What can be better when the doctors themselves, the healthcare workers themselves, are taking that jab of health? So the first injection in a while from now, and then perhaps 28 days later, the second shot of the same vaccine. So as of now, we still do not know whether it would be the Covishield or the Covaxin. There is an idea, of course, at different hospitals in Delhi, they're getting different vaccines, but the second dose also would have to be the same vaccine. The fact that it builds immunity, and Shiv, it's the second dose that builds immunity better. So there is tremendous excitement here. Healthcare workers actually were amongst the first to, and this is a voluntary process, you cannot compel anyone to get a jab, but they volunteered. More than 80% staff, we are told, they volunteered to be in the first round to get the first shot, Shiv.
Gaurav, lots of excitement across the country because, there's also a sense of anticipation. People are going to be wanting to watch this. They're all going to be at home. It's a Saturday morning. They're going to listen to the Prime Minister and they're going to watch the ceremony roll out, because this is a story that involves us all. Nobody can duck the implications of what's going to be happening today. What are you hearing from your sources, Gaurav, about what the Prime Minister's speech is going to be like, and then the event where he interacts with the beneficiaries?
Shiv, the Prime Minister was very clear. What is it that we are trying? We are trying Sarve Santu Niramayah, which is good health for all. Sab nirogi rahe. Everyone should be healthy. That's the aim. And how do you achieve that aim? You achieve the aim when you are vaccinated. The biggest achievement as far as we Indians are concerned, both the vaccines are made in India, whether it's Covaxin or Covishield. The clinical trials, and I've spoken to doctors both in the private sector and in the government. For example, yesterday, we were at the Lady Harding Medical College and I interviewed a number of doctors there. They are extremely confident. They've seen clinical trial results. They volunteered to get the jab themselves initially and then lead by example. So the moment a doctor takes the injection, he leads by example. 28 days later, he takes the second shot, he or she, and then subsequently they motivate others to do so. The fact that it's not Indians, Shiv, as you well know, the world is looking at India. We've had an excellent track record so far in dealing with COVID-19 virus.
Yes.
The way ahead will also be shown by India, Shiv.